Nothing. Yeah, it's starting right now. Yep. So welcome to this live coding. I would say the live in this live streaming channel. Today I'm going to through the Python doc, and along with we'll be doing some coding there. Yes, and That's a raw learning of law. Because raw, I mean, it's not some documented here. Just a raw going through the document, Python document. That is 3.10, 3.10. It's the latest one. So let's see. Let's learn the Python through the raw way. It's like traditional way. Let's see do we learn what do we learn, and I'll be counting the day, like how many days it takes. Depends on also hours. Let's see. So let's start right away. Okay, display done. Okay, let me start. Okay, so here is this one. यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. There we go. Now this one becomes the right size. No, कल मैंने यहाँ तक किया था. So we'll move to the next part, that is documentation string. Now is the part of the lambda expressions. Small animal function can be created with the lambda keyboard. Okay, and the sum of its two arguments, that is lambda a b, that is a plus b. Lambda function can be used wherever function just require they are syntactically restricted to a single expression. Semantically, they are just syntactic sugar for a normal function definition, like nested function definitions. Function within function is a nested. Member functions can reference variables from the containing code. Okay, there you go. So let's write. Practice karte hain, see the code, and then I write the same code and try to see the learning thing here, try to observe something. So that's how I learn things here, by practicing. Or because the meanings here, or the articles, the language here is so raw, it's not written in simple language. So it's so raw written here, so it has to be very, from complex to simple, and jot down to a simplerest language, that would be fine. See, yeah, no one can understand just going through the initially. So def, that define the function. Make, that is incrementer. Okay, incrementer. Is 9. Okay, here you go. So we have made a function. So मैंने यहाँ पे एक फंक्शन लिया है, उसका नाम है मेक इंक्रीमेंटर. ओके, और मैंने आर्गुमेंट लिया है n. Which argument I have taken here? N is the argument, that is the input, one of a kind of input. Let me return lambda x plus n. So now this is a kind of formula. As you take n and give me this value, to learn what does a lambda do. What does a lambda do? F equals okay, make the writing the function name. It's like calling the function here, I'm calling the function, hey function, come on here, come on here. It's like calling it. That's how we call. Why I use if. We're declaring the function to a new variable. Let's say n is equal to 32, 23. And then this 23 will go here. And what would the x say? N is fixed. Okay. So now if I take it's like f of x is equal to something. Three 46. So this is the x, f of x. Putting the value of x also, f of x is equal to a function of n, and the formula is x plus n. So I can say that f of x is equal to x plus n, where n is 23, and then I'm going to put what's the value calculated in lambda. What does a lambda do? Sum of its two argument a b. Okay, sum of its two argument, it returns the sum of the two argument. So now let's go to the next part. What the examples are given here. तो the pairs लेता हूँ, big bracket, one here, not the arithmetic though.